30027 Robert Road, virtual tour. Awesome 3-bedroom, 2-bath in Wickliffe, Ohio. It's got 1-car garage, big backyard, fenced in. You have a back entrance and a side entrance, which is nice. Let's go look at this beautiful gym. So, as you can see, it's all been updated, painted cabinets, granite, 3 cm granite, countertops, tile kitchen. You've got a refrigerator, an oven, and you got a first floor bathroom here, and a first floor bedroom, which makes it kind of really nice. It's a really nice setup. So we redid all the wood floors. Then it has a big entertainment type living room. And look at all the storage here you have in this kitchen. It's a lot. Here's the living room. We refinished all the wood floors. Plugs, switches, all new lights. And then there's 2 bedrooms upstairs. And you have like a little foyer area here. Put an office, chairs. Cabinets there. Let me get that. Cabinets there. Shelves. There's one of the closets that goes to this bedroom. So you can see it's a really nice bedroom. Plenty of plugs and switches. So you got it all there. And here's the other bedroom. Again, refinished floor, paint, lights, plug switches, blinds, all new. Then I'll show you the basement where the second full bathroom is. Brand new. It's all permitted through the city. It's all brand new flooring here. You have a finished part of the basement if you want to do some stuff. This part of the basement you can kind of do whatever. It's got some shelving, pine siding, very nice. Washer and dryer was included. Brand new heater. And then we got the full bath right here. It's got a big shower, toilet, and vanity. And it has a mirror right there too. So really nice house. Again, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath in Wickliffe, Ohio for lease. Thanks.